Hi, I'm Bruce Clay, and this is the Ask Us Anything series. So this question is, how can a super small, newer business, say one lady massage operation, compete in local SEO? The size of the business doesn't matter for local SEO. Google doesn't really care how big you are. They care that you have an answer to satisfy the particular visitor. In most cases, all you really need to do is to be listed in the local directories. Google My Business in particular, but there are a series of other directories. You should look up Yext, yext.com is their location, and see what they can do to submit your site to the local directories within your region. Now that particular directory you can optimize for. You just need to make sure that your description contains the keywords appropriate to that particular business. We also recommend positive local reviews, things that are talking about your business. Those kinds of activities influence how you rank locally. I did write a blog post about it. I'd encourage you to go to our blog and look for the factors that cause you to rank locally. There were 40 of them in the blog post, way too many to describe here. But if you read the blog post, you'll understand you can get ranked locally, and it has nothing to do with whether you're a new site or a small business.